Hey there, my name's Tyson, and I'm one of the videographers here at Gregg Distributors. Welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Gregg. Today, we're going to get down to the nitty-gritty underbelly of the cleaning world. That's right, grease, grime, and years of filthy buildup. But don't worry, with Spray 9, we're going to cut that chore time right in half. It all started in 1956, when Spray 9 invented America's first spray-on, wipe-off cleaner. Packaging a cleaning solution in a spray bottle made cleaning much faster and easier than ever before, eliminating the time-consuming step of mixing chemicals with water. Originally, Spray 9 was used to clean tires on cars, white walls, and furniture. But it was so good at that task that people soon started using it around the house.
Cleans where others fail.
Since it was gaining popularity as a household cleanser, a disinfectant was added in 1968 to kill germs and viruses. Today, Spray 9 is one of the best products for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting in both household and commercial applications. All right, let's get to it. Spray 9's got 9 reasons why it should be your next cleaning product. First of all, it cleans, and it cleans well. Secondly, it works as a trusty degreaser. 3, this stuff disinfects from both viruses and bacteria. 4, it sanitizes. 5, it reduces the risk of cross-infection if you use it regularly. Number 6, this spray kills fungus, but wait. Number 7, it also deodorizes. 8, it controls both mold and mildew. And number 9, it removes stains. Though it does all this, it also kills all of these viruses. Let's take a look at how Spray 9 can tackle this greasy vent. This vent has been sitting here while trucks come and go day in and day out. Safe to say it's gathered a thick coat of grease and grime over the years. Too much for Spray 9? Let's find out. First things first, spray on the Spray 9. Then, let it rest for a minute or so and wipe it dry. If the grime is too tough for a cloth, use a cleaning brush to agitate the solution before giving it time to rest. For outdoor use, Spray 9 is great for decorative surfaces, dirty coolers, greasy barbecues, patio furniture, and even the siding on your house. You can even use Spray 9 on your car, inside and out. The same application methods apply, but if you need a stronger clean, look no further than the industrial strength product, which is the original Spray 9 you know and love, but with a stronger, non-diluted solution. Out in the garage, you need a different kind of clean. GREZ-OFF heavy-duty degreaser was created in 1988 with one purpose in mind: blast away the toughest grease and grime. When nothing else cuts it, this product is sure to get even the worst grease off your surface. Formulated with grease-cutting power and the environment in mind, GREZ-OFF is a non-combustible, non-acidic, biodegradable formula that contains no harsh petroleum solvents, fumes, or unpleasant odors. Let's see how GREZ-OFF tackles the thick grease on this old shop sink. Simply spray it on, give it a moment, and wipe it off. Look at that. That's amazing. I think I may have missed a spot though. That's better. So that's the grease in the garage. But what about the tough oil stains on the garage floor? Garage Boss is a powerful alkaline detergent mix that cuts through heavy deposits, lifting away grease, grime, and dirt. Ideal for use in garages, service stations, machine shops, factories, and food plants. This cleaner is sure to cut through the grime. It spreads easily over large areas, cleans quickly, and leaves behind a non-slick surface. Safe for use on concrete, brick, asphalt, and slate. Here we've got a prime example of a concrete floor that could use a little TLC. Remember safety first. Start by sweeping the floor, removing dirt, debris, and large particles. Then, spray down the floor with water, making it wet but not soaking it enough to leave puddles. Spread the garage boss on the wet floor evenly and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure not to let it dry, since that will redistribute all the grime it just picked up and make it almost impossible to remove. Using a broom, scrub the floor to help lift up the dirt and grease. Give the floor a good rinse and boom, good as new. So, no matter whether the grease and grime is lurking in your house, outside, or in your garage, Spray 9 products have a cleaning solution for you. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us. Or you can visit our website at gregdistributors.ca. Remember, if you like this video, like and subscribe, let us know. Again, I'm Tyson, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.